everyone. My name is Lashari Celestin and I'm the Information Technology Educator at Providence Community Center. Welcome back for another fun arts and crafts activity. Today's activity will be using different nature elements to create a self-portrait. The self-portrait is when you are basically creating a portrait of yourself. The materials that you'll need are paper, the thicker the better so that it can hold all the elements that you're going to apply to it, scissors, glue, and a marker. Step 1, think about how you want your portrait to look. You can grab a mirror and study your face. Think about different nature elements that you can use to recreate your features. You can also list out all the different items that you want to look for during your nature walk. Step 2, get out into nature. This is the fun part. You're going to go outside, find flowers, leaves, sticks, stones, pebbles, whatever you can come up with. Get as creative as you can and bring it all in to create your self-portrait. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon.